standing on my own. So many things to say, but I find the words all gone. Please, I no longer pretend to win your love again. It has to end. I still memorize each moment that we shared, every minute of each day, the love we had. And I know many times it went so wrong, but I never thought we'd lose a love that strong. Tell me why, tell me why does it feel so bad? Then let me tell you, I will never close this heart to you. Tell me, where did it all go wrong? We must have seen the signs, but we did not care at all. In time, I believe I must say, I will hold you once again. Each night I'll pray we will never meet as strangers once again, the way we were, and find our love just there and then. And we know what we've learned in our past, but could we be that strong to make it last? Tell me why, tell me why does it feel so bad? It breaks my heart, it makes this heart turn sad. And someday, maybe one day, we will find this love was true. Then let me tell you, I will never close my heart to you.